Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to another Coding Every Day Until I Get a Job. This is day 80. Oh god, it's almost gonna be 3 months and just this is bad. This is terrible, but I don't know. I guess today I still wanna fix some of the build error, or I'm just gonna ignore some of the stuff that has any uh how can I remove the any? I think you can wait, yeah, let me try to check. How can I really just want to get it up and running even though it's not really working as intended as it's supposed to be. Um, a lot of types error, I know, some basic rookie TypeScript mistakes, like damn, it's so bad. Serial to window, maybe there are some updates that are given here. Okay. Okay, I don't get why the resources for .ts are still giving the error, even though this constraint only arrays it's already satisfied that, but it really won't build it. Okay, I'm trying out the Gemini code assist as well, but I don't know, it's for some reason it doesn't really give out the best. Okay, what else do we need? Navbar. Okay, check if Star has a store to cache the optimized image. You can use the picture element with a nested img element. You can just cast an image load to optimize image. How can I still use the regular HTML image without the without it spitting some error? Like how can I do that? And also on Twitter, there's a lot of people. Not a lot of people, even like the Kimi themselves, like Moonshot AI with the Kimi model, 1 trillion parameter. I asked some question regarding that, and it seems like it's what it's doing. So the thing is, my issue with why I don't use the image component is that some of the URL came out has like random URL from other websites or other stuff. So not everything is using the Next.js image component, and I don't mind it, even though yes, the largest slower LCP lowest. This is largest content. I forgot the terminology, but I don't mind it because it's on the VPS, right? Okay. Can I? Oh, hello. 0 viewers. It's fine. I don't mind. Okay, so how can I still use the... What if I still want to use that? Do I need to change? Okay, what if I still want or allow Next.js to use the HTML img component, img tag? What should I do to remove the build error? Like, I mean, it's intentional. I don't mind using the normal image one without the IMG compared to the like the image component. Oh, you can disable them? Okay, how do you disable them? Disable next. How do you disable it? Just add the comment? Do I just need to add text or I'm confused here. I mean, I don't mind not using the okay. Okay. Disable next line. Okay, wait. I'm trying to use music from NCS now, so shout out to Beef Talk and all the other NCS. I hope I'm not getting copyright. Probably gonna get copyrighted anyways, but it's fine. Okay, so I just need to put wait 1 second. Where are all the image error? The hero section. Yeah. Let's go for the images. I don't mind. So it's here. So I think I need to add like that. And then is it just like that? I'm confused. What is it error right now? Is it like this? That's the hero section. And then the other one is the save image. So I have save image. Would that work as well? Should remove the hero section and the save image. Let's try to build it again and see if we fixed any of that. Then we changed a lot, break a lot. Hey, we can hear music. Oh, okay, wait. Let me increase the volume. Sorry, it's a bit too slow, is it? How about now? Is it better? Hello, Fanshu, Haur, and Tifala. and of course, Mr. Gorilla Human. Oh, okay. Can I just... Okay. Okay. I just want to do the disable image. What was it opening the fuck? Oh, okay, that's actually quite okay. The next is regular IMG elements are discouraged because they can lead to slower, larger contentful paint. Use next image component. If you want XJS featured, but if you want Next.js image features but need to disable optimization, picture element. You can use the picture element with nested IMG. What the? I still want to use the IMG. Why couldn't I? Okay, you know what? This is confusing. You know, extra credit. What? Okay. Or I could just put it in the ESLint.json. ESLint config MGS, I think it's one, right? Extend core web fighter. I think this is where you do. Okay, this is MGS and not JSON. I only have. So how can I do this? You just add an extra object to the array. This array. The single extra block turns the rule off for the whole project. You don't need any inline comments unless you want to disable it on a skip. The thing is it supposed to be no resource form, not this, but it's the safe image. Do I just making it commented like this, or is it do this type of comment? How come this? Okay. Navbar. Can I use the ESLint ignore on the how to use ESLint ignore? How about disable? No explicit any. I know, any is not good, but okay, so what we need to do is create a I'm confused. What does Kimi mean? Okay, it's not that smart as people said it is. It's like damn. Okay, it doesn't really understand what I want. Okay. What if the specific files I want to ignore the any is slash components slash resource dash card tsx and slash components slash admin slash resource form.tsx. Okay, there we go. Okay, so wait, yeah, let me try to do how. Okay, we need that with the array. Okay, let's do this. Let's do that. Let's do this. Files is just array, and then we want to be specific regarding which files could have the. Okay. Nope, this is only components. Resource card CTSX. Components, resource cards, components, resource cards, and then components. Hi, hello, Mr. RZXR. Ooh, I want to build Electrical engineering student. resources. Okay, I think this should work, right? I only do some like removing the yes numbers and everything in just some of the files, not everything. So it's okay. Not really. It's like to share. Yeah, I just want to share and document progress while learning and creating something. Basically, okay. Just two files appear to. Okay, let's just see if this works. So the one that has the issue is the hero section, and then the admin. The thing is, do I need the dot here, or will it no? So I'm just gonna do like dot like that. Just so that, yeah. Thank you, Copilot. I only want 4 of these to be gone. Let's see if... Okay, let's go to auth server. It's auth server. Do I have error? I do not. Why? Lib auth server. Error is defined at line 11. Like that? I just forgot to return a console. Okay. Okay. Let's see if this would... What is it? Click that. Okay. Let's see if this works. Okay. Let's restart the server and hopefully doesn't explode. Okay, cool. We can do clear. And see if the build will fail again or not. Shout out to Indie Dance, copyright free music. Just give me another failed build, man. Don't allow me to deploy the app. No problems were reported from next no image element. Line 28. Okay, let's go to save image. Line 28. What if we just do that and do that, and then hero section, and we can just do that as well. And then I think, okay, this is assigned the value, but only use as a type. This isn't probably another bad idea, but I so tired of this. Dude, I can't, man. I can't. This is hard. Okay, fuck. Okay, let me ask the AI. Wait. Where does this type resource? Yeah, resource with tag. So let me check. Yeah, just waiting for the one in Indonesia to give like a proper document. Thanks, man. I hope it's yeah, I really hope it does, even though I still have so much to learn. And yeah, I just need to learn much, much more, I guess. Yes, well, I mean, with the help of all these guys. Yeah, but to be honest, I already set up the server and everything for the deployment. I just need the app to build. It's not building, so that's the reason that I want to fix it. And you need to transform the resource object you fetch from the database before passing it to prop. You must convert the null values to undefined and reshape the text array. Okay, let's see how can we do that. Resource with tags. Let's see, resource with tags. The form expects undefined for null values from the DB and tag as a simple array of strings. Description. Okay, so we need to do that and then description. My knowledge is still far from being like super good. I'm still looking up AI, still reading the docs and everything, but I've been learning like the basic of web dev and everything for like web dev, a little bit of design and everything, front end and a bit of back end, and right now React and ACS probably 1.5 year. Like oh, it's gonna have another type error. But yeah, I'm still far from actually. Oh, I already changed it to that, an array of that, but why is it not? Still. I think it's because the type is different again. I really, really need to put it in one file, I think. Thank you. Good luck to you too. And thank you for coming into the stream, although I'm just debugging with AI. I think I understand that I should just put like one type for resources and sponsor inside of like one file, but it's too messy as of right now, and it's my fault for not understanding the importance of it at first. Yeah, I think it's because of this resource form props that accepts it to have all of these, but then the one on the on the server component that fetch the data. Yeah, because it wants the array. Okay, yeah, okay, I get it now. Okay. So we would have still have the description, resource description undefined, image URL undefined, author, resource author undefined. This if someone watched this, you guys are gonna be so disappointed on my not understanding the. I, I just forgot to Okay, let's see if we have find another types error and we can just fix that. Thank goodness we've run the build locally before deploying it. Oh my god. Okay, this is why CI/CD is important. I get it now. I get it. Is this good or is this bad? I have no idea. Is it working? Wait, yeah, let me use other browser so that it will be much better visibly. Holy, it's so fast. Okay. Okay, I think let's check the dashboard and see. Okay, we don't have any. Let's like this. Go back here. I think it's gonna still have some bugs. But we can go to /admin. We can do view all resources. Holy, okay. Oh my god, it's so fast in the product. Oh my god. The development local is so slow. This is fast. Holy, okay. Let's add resource. Let's go to YouTube and let's learn maybe oh my god.
Schluss mit wochenlanger Suche. Is if I could do a video on Smith charts. So here.
Okay, let's try. By the Smoking Ape Ham Radio. Whoa, okay. This is actually a freaking cool channel, by the way. Smoking Ape Ham Radio. I think this one is more about telecommunication. It's a video and a chorus. Let's find the thumbnail for this video so that we can grab the copy link address. Okay, copy. Okay, how can we copy? Okay, wait, grab. I never know that the, okay. Hello. Let's grab this video's thumbnail. Get thumbnail images. And use the, I don't want to download, I just want to copy image address and put the image here. Image resources, and it's created. Let's go back, let's open like a new page. Oh my god, okay, it's so fast. I didn't realize how fast it is in like production build. Oh, okay, wow. Okay, this is insane, by the way. Oh my god, okay. Okay, this is cool. Okay, this is so cool. Okay. What is it called? Like the basics. Basic computer. Let's do logic gates. I remember learning logic gates from the organic chemistry tutor as well. Hello, welcome. The build works, and now we're testing.
Today, I want to talk about my website.
Author is organic chemistry tutor. The title is logic gate, truth tables, boolean algebra, blah blah blah. I think this is more computer side, although I guess description, image URL. Let's grab the thumbnail. Okay, there's definitely an automation or like something that I could make this easier so that I won't be needing to like doing this manually every single time, right? I think it's more computer. It is another video and course create. This is created successfully. don't you think it's kind of a terrible experience to always look for the image URL? You could make an image uploader. That's... So yeah. I think it's totally easier and possible, but I think for now it's just easier that way. And then the other issue that I found was that, yeah, I know this method currently sucks because it's hard to get the image for something, and the URL is always different, right? I could just create and upload there, and all the image will be fine, and I can use all the Next.js image optimization. Yeah, but Supabase image storage is only like 1 GB, and I know like I could just compress all the images to just like 200 kilobytes and have like 100 tons of images, and it's supposed to be easy, but maybe in the future. Maybe in the future I will set it up. As of right now, I'm gonna choose like the laziest method to do it. So thank you for that. Actually, I mean, like technically the server has, I think it's supposed to be easy, right? This server has 40 gigabytes and the project's probably only like less than 2 gigabytes. The database is also not that big, but yeah, actually those are some amazing suggestions. Thank you guys. I will write that down. Actually, in like the first like planning, I want to set up a R2 for like the image storage and everything, but then I kind of get sidetracked and not implement that. But maybe later I will implement that. But okay, we'll see how it goes. But this is fast in the production build. I didn't realize that it's that fast. It is very cool. I don't think we have analytics yet. We don't have analytics. And at new resource, we can add. This is from the engineering mindset. Oh, what else should I add? What was it? Is it power factor explains it, this one? No, not yet. Okay, let's add that. And plus, my thought was that if I use like other people's CDN or yeah, I know it's terrible. I know, it's fine. That's some valid and amazing suggestion, guys. Sorry, my system design skills are not that good yet. Okay. Ooh, this one by Prof Mad is also a banger. I really like this video. Ah, I forgot to get. I forgot to change the subject. It's power system as well. Okay. It's sort of done. I think right now what I want to do is I want to populate the database, adding some description to the data, and let's do power system. There are quite a few. It's so fast, by the way. I just realized all this time the thing, the what build, the like the this is awesome. It's so fast, by the way. I didn't realize like how fast it is. Like this is instant. Like okay, the like are still broken, I would say. Yo, hello. Welcome, welcome. Okay, the thing is, I think it's better to create a seeding or script file, but how can I migrate all the data without the likes and views, just the resources and everything? So that, okay, that's gonna be a bit complicated, but that's interesting. Okay. And I think I'm gonna reset the views, reset the other as well. But oh, okay, that's gonna be a bit hard, is it? I think. Okay, let's see how that goes. Okay, I think how can we populate the database? Do I have probability? Copy image address, blah blah blah. Okay. The things that so okay, this is not. It's I think it's more general, even though statistics is more. We use statistics in all most of the works, anyways. So create, and then that's done. Okay. I think. Is there any like math video that like the essence of calculus or okay. What was that video that I watched? Yeah. Okay. I think I need to populate this database and create a seeding file in some other ways, right? How can we do that? That's outdated. This is not sponsored. This is also not sponsored. So how can we? Okay, I think I'm just gonna edit some. I want to check my history and see what websites do I look for studying and everything like that. Okay. This is a bit confusing. Not really confusing. It's just that now I guess I just need to fill out the database and see what can I do with it. I want to see my old like Notion. I think I put out a lot of things there regarding my studies. So let's do that. Ooh, okay, wait, yeah, let me check my archive weeks. What did I do at that time? Okay, we have ooh, okay, I remember. I need to do and learn. 1 second, yeah, let me check if I remember correctly. It was. I forgot what's it called. I Other than Walkweed, there's another one. I forgot what's it called. No, it's not Walkweed, it's the other one. Is it this one? It's like an online breadboard, something like that. For is it this one? No. Like a breadboard. Tinkercad, there we go. There, this is website. Yeah, Tinkercad. Tinkercad. So what's that? Resources, URL is tinkercad.com. Tinkercad. It's free web app for design and world. Yeah, there we go. This is the description, and website is Tinkercad. The image URL is what could we use for Tinkercad? Let's just use this random image of Tinkercad. Or do they have like a gallery? Yeah, they have a gallery. I'm just gonna use the images. Oh wow. Okay. Yes, it was Tinkercad. I was using this for one of my lab as well. Okay. Let's look at the images and see what images could we use as Tinkercad. Okay, this is from their official website. Who created? Oh, I think it's Autodesk. Autodesk created them, right? Who created Tinkercad? What? Okay. Ah, okay. Should I say by Mr. Beckman and or by Autodesk? Huh, okay. I don't know. And I'm just gonna write Autodesk for now, even though the actual author is Mr. Beckman. This is for electronics, but it was also for other things. It's a tool and a website. And yeah, this is one of the things that I really like. What other tools, yeah, that I use to help me understand this? Like, Hello, hello. I forgot what are some like deep work that I did or that I do. Do I need to check my history? Perhaps. Okay. As of right now, this is me I'm just gonna fill my databases. I think I'm gonna need to check my old browser and check the history of what I was using this for. Oh, okay, now, okay, Desmos. Have I write Desmos? Have I put Desmos here? Yeah, I did put Desmos as like a calculator and also a tool. Roadmap.sh for that. Oh, I also learn, I use a lot of Quillbot because we write a lot. So let's add. Let's do description, and the title is Quillbot. I use Quillbot a lot before GPT exists for like. Is there any, okay, decline? Build, repeat that. Okay, who created Quillbot? I don't know. Is there like a company behind Quillbot? Who created Quillbot? What should I write it if there's like multiple people? So who made Quill? You're not giving. Okay. Rohan Gupta. Rohan Gupta. Okay. I hope if I'm wrong, I don't mind correcting it. This is what I look for, even though yeah. In like the official page we have Mr. Andrew Grauer, and they say that they both apparently is Rohan Gupta and David Sillin. They created the blah, blah, so I guess I'm just gonna write it down. If there are some misinformation, I think I should write like. I think I'm just gonna write that. If it's wrong, then it's wrong. It's a tool and then it's AI. So let's create that. do machine learning. Let's do general Quillbot. And then I think in the about section, I also need to create like I think I'm gonna add, if you have any suggestion, correction, or want to add your own content, I think it would be much better copywriting. I'm just gonna put it on the list for now and probably fix it again later when it becomes an issue. And what other tools I use here as a I'm probably gonna get banned for this, but let's see, where could I learn AI from? Oh, there is nothing here. Wow, okay, all my okay, it's gone, but okay, let's check the personal one. I was using, right, you said today when checking out a project that you need some tool for organizing thought and tasks. I use Obsidian for personal notes using a markdown format. I use Obsidian too. Oh, okay, I'm gonna write that down. Yeah, that's true. I'm gonna write Obsidian. Okay. True. Yeah, I use Obsidian as well. Let's write that down. I also use Obsidian. I forgot. Thank you. Yeah, now I remember. I want to grab the copy image address. Who created Obsidian? Who created? Oh, really? Okay. Shida Lee and Erika Zhu. Okay. Really? It's only been 5 years? Hello? it's more like a tool. I think it's just a tool, right? Yeah, but it's very fun using the canvas. I used it a couple of times for my thesis. Like being able to sketch, even though it's a bit complicated, but it was very nice. There we go. Being able to link and like, oh, see like the progress. It's very nice. Although it's a bit complicated and complex, but it was really helpful for me to visualize my thesis. But yeah, it was very nice. I like it. And the plugins are cool as well. Very, very cool. Okay, let's fix General. And we have Obsidian. Things like that. Okay. And then I think the other tools that I heavily use is, let me check my... Let's see. Of course, free code cam. I'm gonna write it down. I think I should have like a programming as well. Well, I guess it's fine. Oops. Sorry. Let's remove all of that. That consists of interactive learning. Then image URL. Let's just grab any like images for free code cam like this. Quincy Larson. Okay. Does he not have his own? Oh, he was a school director. Okay, he was gonna be much. Okay, I know, we're not supposed to use Wikipedia for this, but it seems pretty legit. Do not consent. Can Figure help me get a job? Yes, every 1,000 people. Okay, once I'm learning a lot from free code cam as well, so I think I'm gonna write. So Mr. Quincy Larson is the creator or author. Okay, and then it's a website and a course. Well, it's actually a video as well, to be honest. Okay, create resource. Let's edit this. It's more like computer engineering stuff. I should probably write the computer science part. A lot of people would get angry at that, but hopefully not. Excalibur is also nice. It's based on the Firefox, which is a plus. It's also open source. No mandatory account like Arc. And finally, no dang company like Processor Company. I want to move away from Arc, but yeah. What do you guys suggest I try? I think I want to just use Brave. What else? Was able to reach out to you, but just mentioned. Damn. Yeah, this is Next.js. I want to. I think I don't mind repopulating the database manually. Just want to remember what was I searched a long time ago. What am I searching? I don't even remember. Okay, I don't remember any of this. What am I doing? Well, I guess. Oh, W3. Have I? Do I have W3? No, okay. W3 school, I think. Do they have? Don't I have like proper images? Yeah, okay, I just think that this is much nicer. I just realized. Try out Zen. I know for some reason when trying to install Zen, it conflicts with Node.js. Really? Yes. Okay. I checked out the review from LibreFlox and bro said that he had to go back to Firefox because the settings were so tedious. You could use the app image, I think, or Zen browser is good. But if you want to find Chromium base, I suggest Brave. Yeah, but it's a really good browser. But I like the comparison with Zen. I think I'm gonna try Brave. Like I've been using Brave, but not really as like a daily driver. I was trying it because I want to test out like the bat token, but it turns out it wasn't working. You can't really do anything with it. At least in my region in Indonesia, and here it's like it's not working, but yeah. Beautiful design, privacy focus, and micro feature. It's still in beta. We have compact mode, glance, split view. Is it very? It's very similar to Archaea, Blacksmith, Curtain, Tuta. Does it have? Is it available for Windows? Bookmarks. Zen as a fork of Firefox inherits the web bookmarking system primarily from Firefox. Oh, okay. That's not bad. How about like the developer tools? Would it use the same like Firefox developer tools? Who created W3 School? Yeah, who created? Oh, it's from Norway? Wait, let's check. Refsness Data AS. I have no idea what is that. It launched 27 years ago? Holy, okay. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Refsness Data. Windows 11. I'm using Windows 11. Is it good? Okay. It is run by Refsness Data in Norway. Oh, okay. It's a website and a course. But their adblock feature is native, so Manifestation does not have any impact on that feature. Does Firefox has like a native adblock? I think I used Firefox but a long time ago, so I wasn't aware of that. Yes. Ah, they would give support. Yeah, it's like the one that okay still allow ad blocks, right? Because like the new Chrome doesn't allow that anymore. The other place that I learn stuff is oh for Brave it's very anti ads, right? You can choose to run ads. I still Yeah, I think the main reason was I still use a lot of Adobe stuff, Premiere and Lightroom and Photoshop. And to be honest, it's very hard to migrate, even though I really want to try DaVinci. And also, I heard for like it's Affinity Design on Linux, because I really would love to migrate to Linux, but because I really want to start moving away from Adobe, but yeah. Yeah, to be honest, I've been enjoying using OSL and Linux, but the yeah, Adobe Suite is quite hard. So I've been learning making videos, editing photos and everything with Adobe for my whole life basically, or half of it, but yeah, that Adobe part. And WSL has been very refreshing and fun. But hopefully yeah, hopefully I really want to try DaVinci, because DaVinci on Linux, DaVinci is available on Linux, right? And I could be just learning GIMP. I've tried to learn GIMP as well on Windows, but I don't know, the UI, uh, even though it's the layout are very exactly like the same, I really couldn't really get the hang of GIMP, even though it's exactly the same as Photoshop. Yeah, Control T is to open this, right? Control T and then Control W to remove it. Control Shift K to duplicate, but for some reason it doesn't work. Yeah, I really like Control T. It's very fast. I forgot what websites or resources I used when I was learning. Let me check my. Yeah, Control Alt to the address and then to copy it, right? Electrical for you. There we go. This is the website that I read a lot. Settings, save settings. I was watching a lot, no, reading a lot of stuff from Electrical for you as well. They have a lot, yeah, regarding power, regarding circuit and everything, even basic physics and everything. I used to read a lot from this website as well. I don't know, I already changed it to Google, but it always restart. It's probably a virus or something. For some reason. Okay, they don't really tell. Probably, yeah. Not gonna lie, I think my computer has a lot of like Malwarebytes. I'll get it running after the stream. True. True. I'll set it up after this. Circuit lab. Ooh, this is fun. Quite. Wait, was it this website? Open simulate. Still know it from back in the day though. This website? Or which one is it? I think I use it on this should be fun. Okay. It is for electronics. It is a website and a tool. And then we're gonna create resources. I really forgot a lot of the Arctic website or tools that I used before. Like I think there's like a Smith chart calculator or something. Is it this one? Online Smith chart. Ooh, Mr. Will Kelsey, thank you so much. Ooh, move from Vanilla.js to React. Cool. This is amazing. I like it. If only I would have known about this tool before. There's this calculator for like I forgot. Is it this one? Or is it Circuit Lab? Or is it like where you can calculate a lot of the things? Okay. Is it this one? Like you can convert. Yeah, even you convert like some of this. I remember this. I don't remember how much. Binary is 8, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know. I already forgot. Shit, I forgot. I forgot. Because this is. I forgot. This is like 1. This is 2, 8. I forgot. I forgot. Okay, that was okay, but this is cool. Circuit digest. Damn, they have advertisement. I bet this site is making bank, bro. Like everywhere is advertisement. Circuit digest. Do I need to make like terms of use and other stuff, even though it's like not really okay? Damn, they put ads even and in their about page. God damn. Okay, I should following these guys, man. Okay. You know, okay. If there's no author, I think I'm just gonna do that. Electronics is gonna be website, tools, and also article. And if we go back to local host, let's go to. Ooh, we have a lot of embedded system. Oh, I remember. In embedded system, I learned about assembly. I remember that. but I don't remember exactly. Do you have anything for embedded systems? We do. Okay. What stack did you use? For the project, I use Next.js. And then for the database, I use Postgres. The ORM is using Drizzle. And for authentication, using BetterAuth. The Postgres is local, and I think later when deploying it to Hetzner, it's using Deploy, and I think they use Docker container right off the bat, I think. Or so that's hopefully that's it. For the Next.js, it's the 15.3 app router. Some data fetching uses server action, some use server component. So a mix of both. What else? Okay. Oh yeah, I want to do machine learning. The basics was by there is the Stanford one. Is it this one? Stanford, yeah, this one. By Mr. Andrew.
Welcome to CS229 Machine Learning. Some of you know that this is a class I've taught at Stanford for a long time, and this is often the class that I most look forward to teaching each year, because this is where we've helped, I think, several generations of Stanford students become expert in machine learning, built many of their products and services and startups that I'm sure many of...
Yeah, it was this one, if I'm not mistaken. Still learning about it. I'm not that good yet. Doing this project was kind of, as you can see, it took almost 80 days to do this, but of course I didn't spend the 80 days only doing this project. There are other websites that I also need to do that I was doing, but this is like the first official full stack that I really want to deploy. I started from designing it, creating the wireframe, and then coding it, setting up the project and everything. At first, I want to use Cloudflare D1 for the database, but for some reason I couldn't connect it, like it wouldn't work. I guess again, skill issue. No. This is only for the resource. I just want to add the resource for this. No. It's just I think, am I doing this? I'm just since the website is for electrical engineering resources, I do at one point have some machine learning courses in my curriculum. So all of this is kind of like all the tools, all the resources that had helped me learn. Because I do have some machine learning courses at one time. Course info. Is it still the same? Even though it's only... Okay. There was this... Ah, okay. Oh, wait, is it that one? Like, is it TensorFlow? Please, for calculation. I was doing this project before. Is it this one? No, it's by... Oh, I really like Nicol. Yeah, it's by Mr. Nicholas Renate. He has some interesting projects before. Is it this one? No, okay. I also learned a little bit about... What else did I do, yeah, in my uni? How come I forgot? Is it OpenGL? Was it this one? I was doing some OpenGL stuff, like autonomous, although I don't quite understand everything. It was Python for Optolab, portfolio website, blog, more Latosis landing page, processes for NAND, Flastas. Is OpenGL. Is it this one? No, Libre Shreds with mine. DJI Tello. There we go. I was using this for one of the course. Tello Drone. I remember I was doing this, but from what project? Yeah, for which one was it? Like using DJI Tello. We were watching. Oh, I remember. It was the JavaScript one. We also have quite a few of Arduino project. It was the channel that helped me with the Arduino project. Yeah. That teaches electronics is this guy. I forgot.
Schluss mit wochenlang.
Yeah, video, and that's it. I think it's a video. Okay, I think I'm gonna fill out the resources more off stream. I want to fill out as much as possible. Probably at least like 100 before I move it to the database. And I don't mind doing it manually for now. But let's... I like it that it's just statically created everything. Although it's not the most optimized images, but I like it. Okay, we have around 39, I think. I think I want to aim at least 100 before launching. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to find more resources, look at my history, what other resources that I forgot. I learned a lot for. Yeah, especially about like some materials that I wasn't very good at. But yeah. Okay, today I was able to get the build working. I don't realize how good and fast it is. Like all the page are static, they are fast. No loading time. Okay, maybe there is loading time on some part, but the data fetch nicely. Posting and creating a new one is nicely, and hopefully it's have good SEO. The favicon work, a lot of like the tag was like the title works. It's fast. The like button still have some error, but that's fine, I guess. And I think I could check off a lot of lists, and we can commit this 25 commit for like fixing the build error. But yeah, I think just a few more fix, filling up the database, and then we can launch them. And I think I can create some videos on TikToks to market them. And I don't know, where do you guys suggest I should market or distribute or share this project? I'm definitely gonna make a yes. Yeah, I changed the ESLint config and disabled the one that is for images. I don't mind because I intentionally use the regular HTML image compared to like the Next.js image component, and that's fine. I don't mind. I don't mind that, even though the LCP. But as you can see, even running the production one, some images work fine, and they're great. So yeah, I don't mind that, to be honest. Yeah. I think I have some subreddit that I joined that usually share projects, but for the electrical engineering side, not yet. But I'd love to. I'm probably gonna get banned from like for like promoting stuff, but I don't mind it. I don't mind it. I'll give that a try. Thank you so much. Yeah, definitely gonna look out for some electrical engineering um subreddit. Wow, it's been insane. Thank you. Okay, it looks I really like it. Like probably I'm gonna add a little bit more flair to the hero section. It's too plain. Some of the texts are still not as responsive, so I think I'm gonna change like for this. Probably I'm gonna make it smaller, make a lot of this also smaller for the smaller viewport. Yeah, I'm already thinking like what type of bullet points should I put in the CV? Like yeah, I guess that's it. I see a person doing almost same thing like me. Hello, Ankish Study. Are you making a similar project as well? That's cool. Yeah, definitely gonna put I'm gonna fix some of the text. Put the resource header. Is it this one, right? In flex call or in smaller skin. Yeah, definitely gonna add that. That would be cool. Thank you so much. Okay, I think another thing that would be interesting, probably adding like a blog. I think would help the SEO, and I think I kind of really want to learn uh, writing a little bit better as well. Oh my god, I'm so embarrassed, man. Like the liking logic is terrible. Can I add you like as a contributor if you want to see like how is it working? It's probably some terrible messed up spaghetti code logic and a lot of redundant functions. Holy shit. What the fuck? Holy, okay, that's insane. Yeah, I think it was definitely my fault for doing that. Thank you so much, Papu, for the recommendation. I will definitely check that out. But I guess that's it for today. The build error. Yeah, if you want to make it even better. Thank you. Okay, but I guess that's it for today. Thank you very much for everyone watching and tuning in. I think by this week we can definitely launch it, and we can definitely launch it, deploy it, share it, and if you have any recommendation and any submission for like learning resources, that would be amazing. By the way, I would love that. Help me fill out the resources. And yeah, I think that's it for today. Thank you very much for tuning in and watching. Again, hopefully everyone enjoy purchase reaction to see how they're. Okay. Roger that. I will. Thank you. Okay, I guess that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope everyone have a great day and week and months. Hopefully the summer is not too crazy, because it's been a bit weird here in Germany. Raining and suddenly sun, super hot, and just all over the place. But yeah. Okay. I don't mind, but it's super messy. I don't think it's very nice. Yeah, some of the structure are not that good, but it is what it is, I guess. Okay, see you guys tomorrow on another Coding Every Day Until I Get a Job. Bye bye.